3 music organizations that you need to register yourself with in South Africa. The first one is SAMPRA for the performance rights. The second one is Capasso for the mechanical rights. The third one is SAMPRA for what we call the needle time rights. Well, registering yourself as a member with these organizations does not only ensure you that you are protected, does not only ensure you and your music that are protected, but they also help you get the money you are owed. Well, how do you do that? You first register with SAMPRA, which is free on the website. Go to Capasso, register as a member, which costs $100. Go to SAMPRA, which is free, register as a member. After you've done that, notify your works. What I mean by notify your works, register your song. When notifying your works to SAMPRA, Capasso, and SAMPRA, you need to state things like how long does the song play, how many people are featured, and how many percentage are allocated to each and individual who contributed to the song. Internet Tony Deuce.